Private luxury living in a close-in country setting. This masterfully crafted custom home is perfectly situated on 12.75 acres with views of Mount St. Helens, Mount Adams, and Mount Hood. Savor the tranquility of country life and the convenience of nearby amenities, including parks, great schools, and shopping. The gated entry leads to the long, tree-lined driveway and park-like grounds. This property also includes 6 garage bays and a 4-stall barn. Discover open-concept living, high ceilings, and a 2-story natural stone fireplace, perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. Accent lighting and a built-in entertainment center create an inviting ambiance. From the numerous windows and flagstone patios, take in mountain views. The cook's kitchen features a large island, a built-in sub-zero refrigerator, abundant storage, and other high-end appliances including a decor oven and a 6-burner Blue Star gas range with a Thermador hood, plus a huge walk-in pantry. Enjoy multiple spaces for entertaining in this serene setting with sounds of the tranquil rock waterfall and gorgeous landscaping. The office, with double French doors, has built-in desks and bookcases. You'll find a main-level private bedroom with views of the waterfall and a full bath. The laundry room adjoins the mudroom just off the garage. Upstairs, from the generous primary suite, you can head out to the terrace and take in the expansive 3 mountain views. The well-appointed primary bath includes a dual-sink limestone vanity, large glass block shower, and a huge walk-in closet, plus 2 finished walk-in storage rooms. You'll find 2 additional ensuite bedrooms on this upper level. The spacious bonus room is a versatile space with western pasture views and a terrace. This well-built home features wood-clad Milgard windows, cedar siding, a 45-year presidential roof, and it's wired for audio and video. The 4-stall barn is ready for your animals with a newer roof and 2023 siding and doors. With the 3-car detached garage and a 3-car attached garage, you'll have plenty of room for your vehicles and toys. A captivating home offering the best in country living. You'll find it all here on Baker Road, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.